Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Previously we discussed about importing FBM unshipped order. But what happens if the order after importing in Odoo gets cancelled by a customer on Seller Central? That order you don't need to fulfill by your end, but rather you would like to dropship that order. What happens if the product for which the order is imported is a kind of kit or combo product? So in today's video, we'll be discussing about all such scenarios and how to handle this in this connector. So let's go to Amazon module. Here if you go to your FBM order. Now say for example, I have imported the specific order in Odoo and later on customer cancels this order from Amazon before you ship this product. Then here we import cancelled order as well. So through the operation, you can import the cancelled order. There is a specific operation to import this order and system will cancel this order as well as the delivery order in Odoo. This was a manual operation using which you can cancel the order in Odoo, but the same operation can be configured from sellers. So here we have a specific scheduler to import the cancelled order in Odoo. So this was the case when your customer cancels the order on Amazon. But what happens when you being a seller need to cancel that order in any case? So here you go to your sales module, the order that you have imported, which is yet unshipped. So here you get an option cancel. And once you click this option, one button will be visible next to this button, cancel order in Amazon. So when you click on this button, this order will be cancelled in your Amazon as well. So this was about the cancelled order. Now say for example, the order that you have imported in Odoo, but the product which needs to be delivered to the customer is a kind of drop shipping product. Means you need to ask your dropshipper to dropship this product at your customer's doorstep. So this flow also can be managed within this connector, but for that you need to make sure that the auto sales workflow should have the confirm quotation option enabled, because if the order is not confirmed, system won't be able to create a purchase order for your dropshipper. So this is how you can manage your dropshipping workflow in connector. Now let's take an example that the order that you have imported in Odoo. So this order can be basically of two types. The first is the B2C order and the second is the B2B order. Now if a customer, a buyer reveals their VAT numbers on Amazon, then that order will be marked as business order and this button will be enabled. And we are also storing the customer's VAT details in the customer's database, which will mark them as a business customer rather than an end customer, B2C customer. Now there is also possibility that the product for which I have received this order is a kind of kit or combo product. So this case can be handled in this connector. Like if you import the order and the order consists a kit or combo product, then system will create stock move or delivery order for the component products. But if you import the order which consists of product that is a manufacturing kind of product, then system will create stock move only for the finished product. So these were some of the scenarios that you would need to take care of in the connector. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.